Chapter 5. Technology plays a crucial role in enhancing supply chain management by improving efficiency, visibility, and decision-making. First is automation. Robotics and automated systems streamline warehouse operation, reducing labor costs and increasing accuracy. Second is data analytics. Advanced analytics help companies forecast demand, optimize inventory levels, and improve procurement strategies by leveraging big data insight. Third is Internet of Things, like devices provide real-time tracking of shipments and inventory, enhancing visibility and enabling proactive management of logistics. Fourth is blockchain. This technology ensures transparency and security in transactions, facilitate traceability of products, and reducing fraud. Fifth is artificial intelligence. AI-driven algorithm optimize routing, enhance customer service, and improve demand forecasting through machine learning. The sixth is cloud computing. Cloud-based platforms allow for better collaboration among supply chain partners, enabling real-time data sharing and integrated system. E-commerce integration. Technologies that integrate supply chain with e-commerce platforms help manage customers' orders more efficiently and improve fulfillment processes. Overall, this technology collectively enhance responsiveness, reduce costs, and improve overall supply chain performance.